Hello, everybody. Dave here. And as a follow up to last week's video, we have come up with 5 easy vegan recipes to make Christmas that little bit healthier. Of course, this counts for the holiday period as well. Yeah, every year we get asked by our readers and our viewers how we can do that. Of course, health means different things for different people, as does nutrition. Now, our recipes typically are based around high protein, lower fat, lots of fiber, lots of vegetables, generally for muscle building or for weight loss. And that's where these recipes are going to find you too. First of all, we have the roasted red pepper dip, also known as mahumara, if I'm saying it correctly. When I first found out about this recipe, I had no idea what it was. I tested it and I tried it and I tried it and I tested it, and it is absolutely delicious. And it goes so well with so many different vegetables. So if you have lots of veggies left over or you've got a lot that you need to use up, you can make this dip and serve it with them. It's a really good leftover recipe. And of course, it's a great way of making sure you eat all those lovely vegetables. All right, next up, we've got cinnamon baked pears with crunchy walnuts. This is one of my favorite desserts. It's always great around Christmas time, and it will make your whole home smell amazing as you cook it. It's really, really simple as well, like literally 10 minutes prepping. Maximum. I can do it in about 5 minutes now. It's far better than a store-bought processed pudding. This is all lots of whole ingredients, just so tasty. So enjoy. Next up, we've got our colourful Christmas slaw. Our version uses far less oil or mayo than the regular ones. And again, it's another great way to use up to get a lot of extra vitamin and nutritional goodness in you through all the veggies. It is also super, super tasty. It's always a hit on the table, and we often get asked for the recipe. So give it a try. You won't be disappointed. Right. Next up now, everybody loves a good Brussels sprout, right? Yeah, okay, not everybody. However, we do, especially when it's in a salad with quinoa. Quinoa, of course, is a vegan powerhouse, should we call it? It's used often in recipes and for good reason. It's really good for you. It's filling, it's tasty, and yeah, when made in the right way, you can make a good full meal out of it. So this is our way to get lots and lots of Brussels sprouts in over the Christmas and the holiday period. Again, this is a recipe that surprised me when I first tried it, and I thought, wow, okay, this is now the way to eat Brussels sprouts. So yeah, do give it a try, and yes, you get some nice healthy avocado thrown in with it as well. Right, finally, we have our vegan banana bread. It's also gluten free, which of course can be important for some people. It's also very, very easy to make. It's another good one to make with the kids. It's moist, it's fluffy, and very tasty. Of course, it's perfect if you have bananas that are browning and need to be used up. It's a great way to use them up, so no food is wasted. All right, guys. These recipes will always work. We've tested them hundreds of times. They taste great. They work well. If you make them, you will not be disappointed. They will be a success on the dinner table. So if you do make them, I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment, and I will look forward to it. If you need any more help, we have a free healthy vegan plan. The link's down below. Feel free to download that. Enjoy the recipes, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye for now.